masingaqhubeka kule party le bazodideka ngifuna enje. Abathi ngiphuza amanzi. Ayina nama rustic. Oh. Yahisa inkwasho bafethu, yahisa. Yahisa phela funa ngiphuza amanzi ngehlise lento kwahisa. Ayisa. Oh. Ayisa. Awufuni incwadi yaJames lapho. Sesicala into entsha ezonenza nikhuleke manje. Ezonenza nenze njani? Ubaba sekasikhulisa thinta umakhelwane umtshela ukuthi uphuza amanzi. Seyisikhathi somjovo manje umtshela umakhi waphakamise ndothi gaji. Mangabe vele uzazi ukuthi uweek uthole energy drink uyithi mbo. Lena iyowenza ukuthi inhliziyo imbathi isibindi. Ithi. Sokucelwa yini manje? Phuza amanzi. Phuza yini? James chapter number 3 verse number 2. James chapter number 3 verse number 2. I want to tell you he was not perfect and imperfect man. Can I read James chapter number 3 verse number 2? 3:2. Memeza nje ungesabi.
Jakobe 3.
Yeah.
Istrobo izono zolimi.
Izono zani?
Zolimi. Verse 2.
Umuntu ufuna ahlale kahle manje.
Ngokuba sonke.
Ngoba nje lesihloko esimnyama simhlalisa kahle. Phinda lesihloko esimnyama.
Izono zolimi.
Zani? Hlala kahle. Uya nawe uyalaza lwakho luyabheda. Hlala kahle manje uzilungise ungaswaqi. Ngoba waswaqa bayangazi la khaya uyangicharge. Anointing ivele iphuze Red Bull waswaqa. Manje uswaqa usukuzombuka kabi uyangicharge. Le anointing iphuze Monster ngibhodla kakhulu. Smile nje ngizosheshe ngicela. Funda izono zani?
Zolimi.
Kube?
Ngokuba sonke siyakhubeka.
Sonke
Siyakhubeka.
Akali ukukhubeka. Akali kunabantu abakhubekile baqala ukuthi ngathi kuyaqala ngayo ukukhubeka. Yena nje ngipresence Diana. Uyaqala kuyibona lento le. Akayazi lento yokukhubeka uqala namhlanje. Akali ngayo ukukhubeka. Lithi Constance.
Ngokuba
sonke abashona bathanaza kuphela. Sonke siyakhubeka nabasemhlabeni bayakhubeka. Nabasemhlabeni benza njani? Sonke siyakhubeka. Angathi bafundisi ngababali la. Nabafundisi bayakhubeka. Yeah, nabafundisi bayakhubeka. Yafika la ukanuka khona. Lithi uJesu wabathola esontweni babhizi in the book of John chapter number 2. Isho njalo iBhayibheli wathola babhizi badayisa esontweni wakhipha inkalvansi washaya sana. So nemvana yakhe mayisemhlabeni yakhubeka yazi yashaya. Ma-theologians azama ukuyilungisa no akabashayanga in the court hey wabafaka inkalvasi. Ngeke nibalekise ukuthi uyashunyayela wakhipha inkalvasi baqhubela phezulu kwabo. But this house will be known as a house of prayer. uJesu wathi makakhubeka wakhipha inkalvasi. It's just that manje kunamaphoyisa nalasontweni nakhona abanye badinga inkalvasi. Abanye badinga inkalvasi. Kunabantu abathi babakhuba ubona ukuthi abalo uyayidinga induku. Soba usindela umkhwanazi. Kahle ngase ababamba abantu. I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling you abanye ukuthi siselokishini amahlata asekudeni. Kahle indungu asesibahlomile. Ngoba nekala lenduku limnandi kakhulu ishiphe kakhulu. Ufuna ufika lapha uyikhiphele le ndlu phuma masinya nje. Bashilo bakulungisa masinya nje. Ngoba ngithi ushaya endaweni eziright. Kodwa lithini iBhayibheli? Yimi lo. Khuluma inkani yami manje. Inkani yami le akusimo ungwe. Inkani yami. Khona nakubamba umbona ukuthi abona ngingambamba ngenduku la be right. Lo angandaba ukuthi umdala yini. Umdala ngeminyaka kodwa ngiyambona ukuthi isento zakhe zithi secrash uba grade 1 athi ngambamba. Because bakhona abantu abadala ngomnyaka umuntu ana 60 umbona ukuthi umuntu okhohlakele. Njengoba nje abantu abangampayini abaqoqe naye bathi uqoqa naye. Abe right. Impameza u45. Impameza u4 noma ezingakhi ezu5. The number 5 is a number of grace. So 4 is balance. Ngithi ngathi na ubalance lo zoba wrong udinga igrace ekugcineni kuthi va. Angisho ukuthi noshaya abafazi benu nizoboshwa. Funda lapha funda.
Sonke siyakhubeka ngokuningi.
Shothi nabantu abakhubeka nawe ungumzali abakhulu. njengoba wena ukwata njengomzali nabantu abakho benza njani ungacaba ukuthi ukukwata seku-reserved for umzali kuphela ngoba nabazali bethu bayasikhuba sometimes ngoba nakwazi ufunane enyangeni umntana kangaka ufunani enyangeni uyabona ukuthi inyanga zikusiza uyofunani so busy siyathokoza nakhona kwenyanga mfana akwazi next thokoza mngom siyavuma ukuvumana bheda lo muntu ungahlola ngamathambo ende yashayiswa ku-N12 wena ungahlola ngamathambo ende ashayiswa ku-N12 ungabheka nje ngathi yazi wathi unewele wena yazi mangubuka so uyiwele uthi angilona iwele athi hayi khona ukuthi ke manje wena wazala wembethe umbethe isilwane ufuna sibususa lesilwane 16,000 uhluleka wena ukuthenga igrocery ya 3,000 wena uvela ubambe so uthi bayadlala wabeke phasa amafutha extra virgin oil uthi mba ulande excel inguzanguza engaka into engahambisa injini yemoto iguquke so uyithatha uyithi mba uyifaka kuhleni wena ushiya amafutha aphilayo kodwa makuthiwa now ufuna uyosusa isilwane osembethe bathi 16,000 uthi ngisake uyifuna ngiyabuya kwamele ukuthi uyohlawula ingane wangayihlawula ingane wena ngizwa wathi awunamali kodwa inyanga mayithi ufuna ukugeza isinyama ithi ufuna inkomo uyilanda kusasa imali yokuhlawula ingane awunayo kodwa imali yokunikeza inyanga unayo thatha inkomo lapho uyinikeza inyanga bakhuluphele abantu benyanga kuba buka bonke biva intamo yenze so hloko ishobele phakathi entanyeni bonjiwa yithi onjwayithi lapho ukabe isiphandle uhambe nesiphandle ekhaya mabakuthandele bakunikeza isikopho senkomo uhambe uyodla isikopho ekhaya kuphela base ukhombisa ukuthi bafuna ukwenza isilima bafuna ukuhlekisa ngawo nasemphakathini ukuthi nase sinye isilima esisitholile bathi thatha leimpondo nalokho kwanenkomo ukuhake phezulu endlini yakabhoko utshela ilokishi lonke ukuthi nami ngibe isilima ngayenyangeni ngahamba ngonza umsebenza ngimixele inyama bonke abantu bayazi nje lokishini wena usho ukuthi hayi ngivela njengomuntu ostrong kanti ba uvela njengomuntu olahlile inyanga enye mayendlula ethi lana iyenza into so seyizovela ime lapha egedeni ithi ngoba ibone lesikopho sembuzi noma isikopho senkomo bese ithi hayi khona lo wanisebenzela lo muzi lo wawusebenza kabi wanibhekisela phansi izinto so lanenzela izinto ngathi ivalekile usho wena siyavuma baphinde bathi 16,000 sonke siyakubeka ungumzalo njani bopende bangaka ebuilders ecash builder usukela ipende pheda unependo yazi wona ukuthi ipende yehlupheki uyithola emakhaya phela ayikho down uthi uyabuya endlini uthola umzali apende igeke lonke ngisho ne-stop nonsense ngalo pende wehlupheki uyawazi upende wehlupheka uyawazi nawe ukuthi nawe ngala kunalo pende lo pende ukuthi kuyahlushekwa angeke sibe right kodwa umzali ubona ulandile athi ngipendile apende ngopende wehlupheka akwate bafa abantwana ngeke basathatha ama vlog ngoba lapha kukalo nhlupheko sonke siyakhubeka abantwana sibantu sibakhubile akakho umntwana wathi umlande endizeni ukhona akakho umntwana wathi umlande endizeni akakho umntwana kumele ahlupheke makafika namhlabeni ngoba akazilethanga walethwa wena wathatha umntwana lendizeni wamletha la waye owaThambo wayomlanda wena owaThambo wadibana nabantu owaThambo wakhuluma nabo bathi ufunani la wathi wena ngizele kuzogibela indiza wabuya nengane endizeni weza nayo ngapha yithi ingane emele igqokise kwesupervisor ke ngoba yalandwa wagibela angifune ukukhala music manje kuthule kuseqwaqa ngoba ngikhuluma nawe kodwa nje ngokufa wasilandela akakho umntwana kumele ahlupheke bese uyasicabangela ukuthi kumele adlene emhlabeni uyaqala ukuba umzali ukhona wena umzali wakhe walandwa uwe utshela ingane ukuthi awusenayo imali yokuyimikisa esikolweni kanjani wawuyisaphi kana emhlabeni uyisaphi emhlabeni kukhona abantu esingaba excluder maybe something wrong happened they were molested then they became pregnant kodwa wena wawujola naye uSamson walanda umuntu thatha uSamson ngihambe ngibone ukuthi niyibonaphi imali nokuthi ingane ibe nezimpahla za Christmas utshela ingane ngempangela nga Christmas ukuthi ngeke ngithengele impahla nokuthengela iTuffets hayi buka hlo wena ingane bonke abantwana bagqoka amateka aphilayo wena ingane yakho uyithengela amaTuffets iyokhahlela ulidabula nje lapho uyogqoka lona next year asudlala ngengane akaze yanicela ingane ethi ngicela kuze emhlabeni yakuyacela yakuyamemeza ethi ngifuna ukuze emhlabeni ngikathela ukuhlala la owarithambo sengifuna ukuze emhlabeni ngilande mama endizeni akazi umntana osho njalo ulandwe wena okulethe emhlabeni maseka ngapha uhlupho wena ube ngafane ngakukhipha wawungilandelanga ufuna ukukhipha manje sonke siyaqhubeka abantu bethu they are angry at us right now because abantwana they are no longer competing with the right people at school ugaba esinye ubhaka ubhala ukuthi powerland ubhaka wengane into edabukile noma igqoki noma idabile mayisasa isibhukwala hala khwayira khona ndana noma khona lo umlandana ngazi ukuthi angazi ibizwa uthini khonze ekhaya lo bhaka omkhulu ongaka ozipho 8 Tanoka grade 3 ngathi ufaka ubhaka umuntu wa grade 12 omkhulu ongaka sombuza ukuthi ulahlelena wena bongalithola isakala semendo esikoleni sonke siyaqhubeka abantu bethu sibakhubile namhlabeni our kids are angry at us and they have a right because of that akakho umuntu ophoqelelekile ukuthi ondle umzali wakhe umntana kaforcedwa ukuthi akondle ezumzali ngoba akazilethanga emhlabeni walethwa uwe nihlala phansi nomntanakho uthi umntanami uyazini ngose ungabalisi ukuthi ngakufundisa bekumele wenze njani ngoba vele bayakacela ukuze emhlabeni i-responsibility omele uyenze leyo ufundiswa yini phela wena wangilande owarithambo siqale ngesource wangilande owarithambo ngizihlalele wangiletha la so umfundisa is your responsibility Ngiyangizwa mos ungathi ngakufundisa manje uyangilahla kuhlalwa phansi nengane angisenawo amandla angisakhona ukwenza u1 angisakhona ukwenza u2 mntanami bengicela ukuthi mawuhola siyazi imali yabheda kodwa ufana ungikhumbule mina ngifuna nezinto ezidurile anginawo nama allergy bengicela ungizame ngaloko ongakhona ukungizama na phela niunake umuzi ngoba phela thina izandla zethu azisafinyeleli asakhona ukuyoma kamlungu uyangazi ngihlushwa yinya ukukhuluma komzali akhuluma nengane yakhe ngizomos leyo ukuthi ufuna ungondla uzongondla mina ayisebenzi leyo kuthiwa kuhlalwa phansi bayakhuluma ke labantwana bakhona manje ovela bakublock bashinta amanamba basuka empilweni yakho usala uyi1 uyothandaza kubonga uprofeti ngitandazela abantu abambabuye kimi into ekulimazile ukuthi awukakuhluleke ukukhuluma nabantu abakho they are not forced to do things for the parent but you sit down build a system that will work ngoba nathi pressure ila sifuna kuba nemizi yethu ontanga yethu banemizi yabo Ngiyangizwa mos nami ngifuna uba nomuzi wami ngoba mangihleli la ekhaya kithi umfowethu ngidabula ngempama phambi kwakho ngoba yena usebenza eScom mina ngisebenza eSamazama wena usayida naye so nami ngifuna kube nekhaya lami labantu abami abantwana ba Constance ngoba uthisha banaka kangcono mina ngoba ngiyinobody abantu abami abasanakwa. That's the biggest issue in households. Emakhaya sonke siyaqhubeka. Sonke siyaqhubeka. Kakho umuntu ongakhubeki. Kakho umuntu ongakhubeki indoda yakhe ikhubekile. Swakile kwatile nje manje uhleli sesontweni awuyinaka uyiphekele. Angesabi umuntu mina kanza kwathi angesabi umuntu ngitshela labo bafuna ukungihijack izolo bangishayisa ngamuva ngathi nifike kahle ngazalo lenkanini haleluya fike kahle ngazalo lenkanini ushama nje mina abangikhipha imoto yami ngena shama nje mina ngizokuthanda ngizalo shama Motshela izolo bazongishayisa ngomphambo wami ukuphuma la umfana maka hey ngiyangibasela indawo ethandaza izonibamba lenkani lengayivalela ngayivale masikazi ami mina akekho ngemuva ngaphambili masikazi ami esinye silama ngibuke kahle la ngaphasi la ngithi ngangilwa kwangena isibhakela la nami ngafaka ngangilwa bangishaya bangivalihlo nami ngamshaya sikazi ama ngaphambili inkani yami yabanjwa uJehova abanye bethu asilwi hayi ngoba singakwazi ukulwa ungabonisa ibamba imic ukanti asikwazi ukulwa inkani yethu siyayazi ukuthi ayilawuleka kunendaba ukuthi ngizani bangakhe mina nganiqukula ngizoma ngishumana la ngithi nganiqukula bafikile izolo angazi bathunyelwe ubani bafile kodwa la bekhona bangazi manje abakhona bangazi ma sabi if I perish mangifa manje ngiyabhanga indaba mina ngithi ngibuye kwindoda yakho ukwathi Ngothi amen kakhulu kanti yabaleka. Uhleli sesontweni wena, awuyiphekeli. Mawuze esontweni ntambama awuyishiyi nokudla endlini. Ilithande kanjani isonto wena upheka mawubuye esontweni? Ijabule kanjani ukuthi lo mfundisi uyasebenza kodwa wena awukwazi ukuphekela indoda yakho iphila ngekoti nomfazi? Indoda enjani kumele idle isinkwa umfazi akhona? Ikuthenga ukudla kodwa indoda ilala ngesinkwa. That's nonsense. Manje umfundisi wakho uyayivumela lento leyo, mshaya ngempama ezo4 bese uthi bang u5 the number of grace. Your man is angry. Your man is angry. You can't tell me ukuthi wena uhleli sesontweni. Njenga namhlanje nje bekufuna ukuthi izolo mawuphapha ama online prayer. Yabona qeda lelo kuthonga ku online prayer. Indlu ibe right. Nilasontweni namhlanje izindlu ziyabheda izolo ngayilungisa. Alithande kanjani isonto kusele amanzi nezitsha za Friday ngoba wena ufastile. Mawufastile wena upheke endlini indoda yakho phela awuyifastisi ngenkani. Kufaste wena hayi indoda yakho. Sizofasta ke la ongafuna ukufasta uzopheka. Ukhubekile naye. Mina ngiyakutshela baba, ngutshela kuphaka mi frontal phindu yithi. Your man is angry. Ungahlala khona 2 minutes ufunda lelinye party engasimnandi. Indoda yakhe angry ikwatile. Ngizokwazi. Uyakhona uvuka ebusuku wena uthandaza. Kodwa makuthiwa seyishintsha ama shift ingena ngo3 uyahluleka ukuvuka ebusuku uyilungisele. But makuthiwa ulwana bathakathi nezibhoko ngo12 noma ngo3 uwe nempolompolo senda mbamba ngabo3. Kodwa makuthiwa seyiqala ishift yango5 idinga umbamba ozoyivuka ozovuka ngo3 ayilungisele. Ngizomuzwa awusakhona ukuvuka wena mina ngikhatheki. Keze ukhathele makumele umenzele umuntu wakulobola kodwa makuthiwa kuliwa nama satanist wena uvuka ngo4 uzolala ngo7 solushandaya kodwa uyahluleka ukuthi mama ngicela ungilindise nje ngifane mina ngistudishe for le interview yakusasa wena ube lokhu ungibona ngistudishe nawe ube la ngibe kuphi ngibe la kodwa khona ukuba ku call noma ku YouTube noma lapha ka Facebook ubukela umfundiso ntambamanga ku TV athi bamba screen ianointing iyeza uzosukume phansi uguge screen athi receive the power uze uthi umntana abantu azabamba iTV so receive the power phosa uwanayo. Kwathini umuntu wakho kwathini indoda yakho because umfundisi wakho makathi ungayenzi into uyeka semtime kodwa yena makakhuluma nawe athi angiyifuni lento le awumuzwa awuhlala nomfundisi ekhaya uhlala nendoda yakho awuhlala nomfundisi wakho uhlala nani nendoda. Some of you will not go far in life because into show umfundisi niyithatha manje kodwa mayisho umuntu ohlala naye 24/7 yekela utshwala mama. Mina wangithola ngiphuza angeke uyeke sokuphuza uzongithanda nginje nangabe wehluleka khan bakafu umfundisi uJesu uthi umuntu osindiswa akaphuza ubuyele ekhaya wena uqala ukuqitha lapho utshwala akubuza so uqitha njani namhlanje umfundisi uthe how will they love the pastor and love you if when they said it you didn't do it. This is the part engenayo uyebo. Yes, this is the part. Lena isiyabo yes man of God. Inanqala umfana. Yebo ke ngifuna leyo ke mina. Ngile ngithanda kakhulu. Le elungisa wena ukhona ukuphila nabantu. Omakhelwane wakho hayi ukuthi bayakuzonda. Uwe baqala ukuvusela nisenga usengakakholwa benivuselana. Manje ngoba sowufindisiwe sowuhluleka ukuvusela umakhi. Ngoba sowuyengwe abantu bathi uyakuloya abe angakuloyi. Wafika nje umuntu afuna imali wathi yabona umakho wakho uyambona ukuthi pretendela nawe wavuma vele ngipretendela ukupretendela kuphi umuntu unanisa uzunanisa ne green pepper wena phela khona abanye benu ni good ngokuyokela yazi kuzofika umuntu ngikhumbula esahlala emqashweni nje kwafika umuntu athi ngibona ke ifeni kushisa kanje yabona ukushisa kangakanani manje shisa njengoba wangana afuna imali yengane. Shisa kanjalo. Shisa njengoba ngana afuna imali yengane. Badlala. Hlela khona nje uphise amantombazana. Mntana kulambile uyagula futhi uyakwazi na ukuyagula lento yakho. Shisa kanjalo manje. Afika umuntu athi ngicela ungiboleke ifeni. Shothi mina ngiyahlanya mangithenga ifeni. Shothi nje la ekhanda bengekho right. Bathenga ifeni. Some of you niyananisa kubomakhe. kodwa nibabize ngabathakathi kodwa nasenihluphekile ngiyakuba bakunesifo makhi makhi uyabona mose ukuthi sekugwele kanganani lapha angisho ukuthi ngithini kodwa nje bengicela ukuthi ufana ungiboleke igarage lakho sifana ukuthi ngoba ebaningi abantu makhi ngapha bekunganjani ufana nje umbekele umthakathi uyokubekela njani abantu phela umuntu umbize ngomthakathi lo muntu mawuthandaza ubheka ngakuye fire manje sekunesifo bakho umakhi sokucela igarage lakhe sokucela izitsha zakhe sokucela kubambise njani abantu bomakha bazonde sisuke sathi masindiswa sathatha insindiso yangena endaweni wrong yangakhona ukusihlanganisa nabantu esiphila nabo Insindiso ayisho ukuthi crush everyone. Insindiso ithi create a platform for everyone to be born again. Don't crush everyone. Create a platform for everyone to be born again. That's real salvation. Insindiso yakhe kwenza ukansukele bonke abantu ekhaya ngabakhulumisa. Insindiso yakho leyo. Ngoba kutshela esondweni ukuthi abakufuna ekhaya kini. Labantu bakuphipha wena. Akufaka isinapukeni ngoba amaphambazi afike manje. All 2000 vele uthola iPampers thina belifakwa phezulu sima 90s thina vele lifakwa lithi phinde libuyiselwe kuwe noma lisel right noma likho right kulandele spenete awunele vele nisasa lespenete sikala sibambe ngapha sibuye sibambe ngapha bese siyadonsa ngapha abanye benda bayazi yonke leyo nto bayibona ngokugula Ngiyanemba ungasabi omunye akasazi ayinasazi vele sikubadala thina ngasibona ubuhle ukuthi asibazi utshwala nogwayi wena uthe usaseka grade bani so uqala ubhemana nethufu yekelana ukubhema lento yena akulona ugwayi lolo akulona ugwayi you don't understand anikho ini namaphapho akhe akekho ini nawe yahamba yacollapse wena ya 25 yokukhwehlelela phezulu umakho wakho uyakhala ngawo uthukuthe basekhakho bakhala ngawo mama zala kwafika wena umntana baba samazi umntana baba samazi kwafika wena solo wathi lisho solo wafika wena sekukatshelwe ke manje khona intombazana ethi ifika nje emzini ifika nje bantu bebazwana bangasezwana hayi siswakho lwangumuzwa nathi asikuzwa nathi asikuzwa sasibuza nje ukuthi umfowethu wakusukela ngani lethi siyakwamukela ngoba ukhethe wena nina nisona abantu abanganitshela mina vele ufikele kami noma lela ngakhulela khona uyongithola ngihleli baba fake besikhindi namagwegwe shela mina awufika ungitshela into engekho right zokuqondisa thina zomalandela thina Utshela thina ukuthi nawe sibathe siyasibuka nalesiphongo sakho zala abantwana babhedayo nje nathi asikuzwa nathi asenze njani ufike abantu bahlangene sebabheda manje so kusho wena ukuthi umama zala uyaloya kusho wena uyakuloya lo muntu wakhulisa indoda wayikhulisa ukuthi khona ukubona umuntu onjengaye kuwe because every man looks for his mother in the wife they are going to settle with. Every man. That is why nomupheka uyazi ukuthi uyapheka man kodwa le chicken yakho ayifiki kuleya chicken leya yama azathi no ungayifaki ibheni awuyifake ngoba ukhumbula leya kama. Every man looks for his mother kuwe. So mawufika wona uthi uma wakho uyathakatha uzohlala njani nawe ngoba wena usithombe mqondo sika mama wakhe. Wathi nawe uzomthakatha bese bayalahla awuthi ngiphuza amanzi asewulisi phuza akho nawe phuza akho nawe ngoba uyabona uyashiselwa ngone umphefumulo wakho sola siba sesithi these are things you must understand. Kunamanye amadoda athi makafika afika thatha intombazana akasanaki lutho akasanaki next as long as yena bayifonela woza ize naye phusha isifuba naye iye khona ngo ayisapho intombazana asalale nomthetho walakhaya seyaphuma nje mathayi sawufonile phela ngenze njani hlala phasi uyapi njalo bakafona wena hayi ngisakhona sophuma ngewindi uyapi uphuma ngewindi Yonke into eya kumfundisi yogcina kumfundisi indlula kumzali. Ngiyaphinda futhi yonke relationship enomshado phakathi indlula kubani kumzali. Lesela lakho elikuntshontshayo bazali bangazi ngeke likulobona. Kukancane umuntu athenga amagwinya estradini afika nawo endlini. Yaphinda futhi kukancane umuntu othola amagwinya estradini afika nawo endlini. Swadle endleleni. Masifika endlini sifika nesingwa sibeka isingwa ke kungikhani. That's your biggest issue now. Abanye bengoba naziwe emakhaya ngeke naziwe nasesontweni. Umuntu ongafuna ukumitha abazali bakho kodwa ufuna ukubeka kamithana nawe lento abazali unengozi. Umuntu othandana naye ufuna azona abazali. Umfundisi wakho ongesaba kumpresenta kubazali bakho khona into yaziyo nawe engeke ihlale mawumpresenta kubo bani kubazali bakho. Unomfundisi uyesaba kusho ukuthi nawe umfundisi wami njani umfundisi onjani loyo. So uthi ukhohlakele kunenkohlakalo obona ukuthi ubaba ngeke ayemukele lento le. Abanye umfundisi obelicala umkhazele kuqala unganaki indlela agcoka ngayo unomoya kaNkulunkulu hayi mfundisi onjani ufuna qala ngimkhazele ufuna nje ukuthi ma nawe umfundisi ngikhonza kuye manje uma afaka amehlo okuhlola ukuthi u right noma wenza njani uyabheka ngoba mina ngisaba ukuntshela amaqiniso bakhona abafundisi ababheka angikhathani batho umkhulu uyikhehla ayinamanga sabe umuntu mina bakhona abantu abadala unakhuluma uzuthi ndafunda vende ekhunjwa lo baba omdala sesiyamhlonipha ngoba mdala kodwa lento le ayivele kuJehova sonke sikwatile ngiyakwatha vele mangibona umzalwane uthanda inhlebo kwendlula uJehova uyakhubeka vele ukuthi yini lento ekwenziwa notice into engasimqoka walahlekelwa isiphetho sempilo yakho. You are so attached to stories of the people in church, but your story is still not yet finished. Kanjani sonke siyakhubeka sonke. I grew up kusafika amafoni. So thina siyi millennium. So we are between ukufika kwamafoni nesizini la bekungena amafoni khona. Yabona mos. Yeah, my first cell phone nje I remember very well kwakuyi 3310. Abanye benu vele aniyazi leyo nto. Esinye nje sitina esingaka noma ungasinyathela ngevili lemoto uyasithatha ukuthi strong kabi nje injengohliziyo kagogo le phone le hliziyo kagogo. I'm telling you benyatha into uyithatha uthi hello silwane sefone lesa silwane sefone nayivule kithi kwangwangwang yoba uphethe yona Hale sesikhathi isinda le packet nina vele nilengisa kakhulu amabruku nwabeka la ngenilunga 33 ngenilunga yasinda le phone le 1 kg sepacketeni ibetri yakho ni last 7 days 7 days yeah iya survivor ya betri ya ngisho say 1% yaqhubeka last ilanga lonke yeah sikhulela lapho thina. So we grew up between connecting with the new world and letting go of the what? Of the old world. And then everything else came. Wafika ma E250 right out kombola Samsung changa sliding phone with the car. Ayaya. Wafika ma Motorola bo. Nangibamba nje phone menkazo to hello manje all right no problem. Ayaya. Lapho into sasijabula ke Jehovah into sasijabula because of that we're caught in the middle of all that. You understand? And then there was a statement that was said to us and we believed it to this day and it's hard to let go of it. One statement. One. I believe you have heard it. Even I have advocated for it. One statement that has made life miserable for me. One statement that has changed the way I look at the next person. One statement. How many? One. Not 55. One statement. Changed even the way people do politics, even the way people do church, even the way people enter relationships. You understand? One statement. No man is perfect. One statement. We believed every person that said that, right? No man is. Yeah. hindered yourself from being a perfect person, right? Because you were told no man is perfect. Society taught you that. Education system taught you that. The society, education, even family members were fed that nonsense that no man is perfect. No matter wenza into, hayi inhliziyo yakho ungayifaki yonke, ufuna ushiye kunye ngapha because no man is. Wow. And we believed it. Some, even after this sermon, they will continue to believe it. Because it will take me the whole month to decode what God has declared for this month. The month of a perfect man. The month of a perfect? Because we've been taught that no man is perfect. Immediately when someone sings, they say, "Hi, no man is perfect." This is quote my verse. Ujesu wathi ungena sono akaphonse lokala ini ije. And everyone there walahitshelaka. No man is perfect. Funda consensus. Sizwe ukuthi ubhudi kaJesu uthini. Angisafunde manje ukuthi ubabakho uthini. Angilwi naye umnumzane. Kodwa ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi uJesu uthini. Funda James, yes.
Ngokuba sonke siyaqhubeka.
Eshingathinteka la ukuthi angiqhubeke kodwa nje asiqhubeke.
Uma umuntu engaqhubeki ngazwi. Lowo uyindoda ephelele.
Uyindoda enjani? Ayabe khona abantu. Uyindoda enjani? Can we read in English? Abanye bethu sifunde private school. Yasemabande siyabamukela nami.
For in many things we offend all.
Yes.
In any man offend not in word. The same is a perfect
The
man.
same is a perfect man. A perfect man or the perfect man. One of the things esitholakala ku perfect man uyazi uthi yini? Umuntu okwazi ukugovern umlomo wakhe nespeech sakhe. The first sign that you're going to be a perfect man, government of speech. Government of what? This is your paper. Can we read on your version, Bible Spear? Siyabonga lapho. Thank you.
For we all stumble and sin in many ways.
In many ways, we all do what? Stumble and do what? And sin. In many ways. Yeah, in many ways, but the perfect man. But what? Fold.
If anyone does not stumble in what he says, never saying the wrong thing, he is a perfect man.
He is a what? The Bible has a template of a perfect man. Lithi noma ngathi ungabona konke, ngabona kwehlule konke emhlabeni kodwa the first thing ubhuti kaJesu ayishoyo uthi nangabe nje la. Yazi lento abayisho kuwe so layihambi. Iphila nawe manje. Bayisho usakhula. Na noma lo muntu waxolisa kodwa lento yaqhubeka yahlala because speech can penetrate and move, transcend into other dispensations and generations, move through time. Food speech in the muntu yahlala isikhathi eside. Government of speech. Ubaba kake wala ukuthi squat, uvumile ukuthi squat. Government of speech. While you are angry, government of speech. While you are too happy, government of speech. While you are mali, government of speech. While you are given power, government of what? Of speech. While you have a seat, baba, guess what? You first born nakaya, ungasho noma ngayini, kodwa baba ukutela into eyodwa, government of speech. Nayinto ifuna baba. Ukuthi umdala noma umncane into emqoka ekwenza ukuthi ube perfect yokuqala is the government of speech. Uyacela kubaba ukuthi ufanele ulungise indlela yokukhuluma kwakho. Because if you mess this one up, you are messing everything up. Because this world was created ngamagama. So this world respond more to words than words. I will say that again. So abanye bethu sazi ukuthi vele umuntu angayikhuluma into kodwa angayenzi sinakhuluma kwenza. That's the second dimension. Ngiyangizwa mos. Yenze umuntu akhulume enye into enze enye into futhi. You have seen it. Kunomuntu wakutshela ukuthi uyakuthanda kodwa indlela akuphatha ngayo manje abhe. In speech the person is good, but in works when njani uya omunye wathi akakuthanda kodwa the way akudefenda ngakhona, the way akuprotecta ngakhona, you see ukuthi this person protects me, this person protects me, and this person loves me. Nikhona wathi ngasakuthi yes. Let's continue now. A perfect man is seen by speech. Is seen by speech. Government of speech. If you can't govern your speech, workspace, workplace, relationships at home, in that destroy our structures now. Where's what in? The way we talk to each other. Kunomuntu okhuluma into right, but le ndlela khuluma ngayo iyabheda. Government of speech. Wahluleka kulungisa ulimi lakho ningakhathazeke. That's a policeman. He's a great man and he's a great man. Udlala no music. I know him. Ningakhathazeke. Ngaze ngifuna ukumlandela ngiyothola garage. Come back to me now. Come back to me now. One of the great things now, and it's the way you talk, even in church. There are some people who would have had a long relationship nabo, but indlela bakhuluma ngayo. Yasenza sabane short and even one that is fleeting. Why? Indlela bakhuluma ngayo. So a perfect man is seen namagama awakhuluma. But what do we mean by this? We mean that you must have words that don't destroy or betray your future. When you speak, there are people here who ended up betraying something that belonged to them, which was an inheritance because of what they have said. Mina ngathi ngithandazela omunye ngase ngiyambuza mangimthandazela ngifuna nawe maze ukuthandazela ungizwe ukuthi ngiyalalela nangathola 10 million ungenza wathi ngahlala ngathi baba ungamniki. Because those words are destroying the what? The future. They are destroying and betraying the what? The future. If that money comes into their account, they have declared that ngegahlanye in a psychological way, but uzohlanya sometimes ngendlela enza ngayo izinto. Lokuhlanya sizokubona thina ukuthi ngathi siyamshiya manje. So once you speak something, it stays in your atmosphere. It stays in your what? Speak words that do not destroy or betray your what? Your future. Now, what do we mean by saying, when we say a great man is seen by his speech? What do we mean? We mean this. We mean you speak with intention. You speak with what? Why is into icon? Nevela ngakumuntu njoba kuza ama Easter nje akakumuntu ongibasela nje umuntu ozongitshela ukuthi umfundisi ungakhululeka. Khululeka mina ngiyi-one. Ngiyofana na department naye nguhawukela ngenye into ulahle phansi because every time a person says that they are telling you that this is the department I want to destroy. In most cases, when someone will say, but if it's a group of people, I know they will correct each other. I've had services in this church with a pool of 3,000 people, 2,000 or 1,000 plus people. And in the mosele, Emma events, umuntu zovelat mfundis ideko ishiyele game. Ngalelangi imeli faka ideko. Mfundisi babengikhona manje inkinga lana sebangibizile sengivele nga-allocator lowo msebenzi loyo kuyena kuphela. So ufile lowo msebenzi loyo. So when you speak with what? With intention. I mean this. I mean this. Into yenza ukuthi abantu bakuzonda nje la lokushini wena awukholwa uyasonda. Kodwa ukhuluma njengomuntu okholwayo uyasonda kodwa. You told them usindisiwe kodwa bakubona nganye imini uphethe isikisi. Sebamangala manje usindiswe njani lo saphuza kangaka? NgoDisemba sobonakala notshwala sekubonakala inyanga kakho sekubonakala lokho sekubonakala. That's the biggest issue. You speak without intention. When you speak, you must speak with intention. I want to do this. I mean this. Now go to Jesus. When you mean let your yes be yes, let your no be no. Let them have relationships do to kunebulinyazwana kunebula wena ukuthi watshela umntana nomuntu wathi uzomshada. Ukala ukudibana naye Shoprite. Ukhetha ukubona impuphu ngapha iwisa so uthi shobe udibana nomuntu ngizokulobola ngifuna uyovuza umuzi kababa ngakho umuntu engambona njengawe umuhle kabi so umlandela umuntu lapha uhluleka nokuthenga amaqanda uyolobola ngani sabuka iprice amaqanda uthi 18 rand badlala ngifuna nawo 12 rand yazi inkomo malini makunegotiate maloboleni immediately udibana nomso usho into at the wrong time. Speak with intention. Speak with intention. What when umntana nomuntu lawa amtshela wathi mawungangizalela ingane ngakushada so uzele 3 wabantwana usafuna ukumshada njani manje uthakaye kabani nabantwana uthakaye kabani manje ayothathwa ubani enye indoda yakuphi uyazi ibhlungu kanjani lento ukuthi uqhoma ngentombi yakho bathi intombi yakho umama wengane kaSipha asiqhubekeni la ngoba sengiyakwata manje yazi ibhlungu kanjani lento le bathi intombi yakho umama wengane kaSibu usho umuphi intombi yakho ubani bathi intombi yakho umama wengane ka yazi ibhlungu kanjani lento le kube kuyangamvele ngabe niyabathatha labantu enibazalisile kube kuyangami ngoba anifu bona abafuni kodwa nabo phela nabo bangafuni niyapi because most of these people they don't want to move in with someone like you. I'm not saying when ungenangane or unengane when perfect or perfect, but some people speak without intention. Then you make them decisions. I'm a cool, and I think that divorce. And limas is limas. I want to learn to learn. Wafunga umuntu phambi kwabantu wathi for better for worse. Wafunga umuntu wathi for better for worse. Kodwa vela vuma umuntu ekseni athi I'm no longer feeling the spark. Ngakuthatha ngumix substation. You feel the spark. Thatha ngumix lapha substation elanzansi la. Nithi yayisi gas ithi nithi uyayizwa feel the spark. Siyahamba manje. Yeah. Sasinabantwana sikhulile sihlelawo when you no longer feel the spark. Asithenga ama cricket 100 shooter, you will see the spark. Ashisi still ula ngaphandle, you will see the spark. Utasenze njani manje? Sesidivorcelana phela manje. Speak with intention. Outside the spark sound, relationships are not built on a spark. They are built in more than just a spark. Marriage is a decision. It's not a feeling. It's a decision. You decide to stay with a person. You decided to choose this person. Hamina ngisamuzwa umuzwa ini uyozumuzwe asambe sobona abavula amahle bakuvula amahle uyoze umuzwe because some of the reasons of ama divorce are happy. Some of the reasons I don't know, we grow out of love. This is love. This is love. Oh, Moses is the farmer. Stay there. Dala yakhe lento sibe right. Ngaphandle mangabe kuthiwa uyakushaya. Ngeke phela sivume nathi aqhinga. Sesiyathi phuma ngoba uyoze ufe. Ubuya nama blue eye every day so uyachaza la bakushaya. So ngabuya ke lapho. But umuntu avela athi no longer feel the spark. Lento ayisebenzi lento le. Yabo so speak with intention. Speak with intention. Mawukhuluma ngento iqonde lento oyishoyo. Yazi ukuthi ngisho nayo into nayo. Yabo no kufanele into nowakha nani but my new year resolutions. New year masigena la besigwele bununga sila. Phambana ama perfume madupe noma original. Sila. Pintshezelo la kukubi. Fika la ngakhona okuhamba angishumayela first Sunday. Abanye bazibahlele ngaphandle baphi namhlanje. What decide umuntu nge cross over what this year I'm going to serve the Lord. Akaphela ngisho 1 month. Abasekho. People don't speak with intention but they say God awuphenduli. Now umange emagameni wakho. Now umange emagameni aphendule njani uza esontweni makuvuma. Yabona mina kube kuya ngami ngize esontweni makuvuma ngani ngibona njengo Eli once a year. Yeah. Kube kuya ngami. Yeah, bena ngibona crossover kuphela nangama Easter. Yeah, crossover ama Easter. Crossover ama Easter. Kube kuya ngami. But akuyi ngami kuya ngentando kaJehova. It's no longer me living in me. It's Christ that lives in me. Uyenza ukuthi yethuka phela. I'm a human. Nami I am. Do you think we come to work or come to church? Sifuna ukuba la. Hoyibo wena uholile phela wena imali ngenile. Sunday is for lovers. You want to go now. Sunday is for lovers. Funa bona umuntu wakho ngabe nise destiny manje ngishaya igagas nala manza lapha noma nenze fishing but you are in church. You are not here because ufuna ukuba la. You are here because you have to be here. Serving God is a decision. Doesn't go with our feelings wakho. Nyangeza God. Speak with intention. Speak with. Number 2, a man who governs a speech or a perfect man. Umuntu oyazi timing. Oyazi ini? Mina ngizana umuntu okhuluma in the off line. Off line. Uyayisho kaningi lento ngiyiphinda namhlanje. Uyabona mangiphuma all night prayer kanza kodwa. Yabona nathi ngiyaphuma all night prayer. Ekseni udibana nami. Yabona ekseni udibana nabani? Na. Akusisikhathi leso sokungitshela anything. Yabona isikhathi sekuseni. Yabona base ngehla nje pulpit. I've been standing from 12 up until ekseni was 6. Mawufika wena sozongitshela something. Usho ukuthi izohlala la. Uyakhuluma nje ngena ngapha iphuma ngapha la kimi nje ukuthi sanderi bashondora bazoba wena mfundisi lana baba hey awazi manje la kimi la thumbali yasetha kumara susuma ngithi oh okay oh alright la kodwa sulevi kuthi ungitsheleni ukhumbula mina because akusisikhathi sokuthi ungangitshela anything productive ngehle pulpit ngime ngo12 ufa ngehla ngathandazela abantu ngaprofeta ngenza lokho ngehla songitshela something khohlwa that's a wrong timing uzongibona kona kodwa ngengikuzo mina akuthi ngizobavuma noba kuvala ngizobavumela ngithi akeze ngizohlabelela akeze ngizowenzani nangabe kuyakulimaza lokho I'm sorry angiyona ingelozi mina umuntu nami ngiyathathana ngenza njani timing. Number 3, restraint. The perfect man knows when to restrain themselves. Funa abanye abakhuluma yonke into ya oversharing, restraint wazi ukuyibamba kunento ngamele uyikhulume nabantu. Ngitshele last week ukuthi ngeke nje mina ngumfana ongakashadi wena umama oshadile bese ungitshela ukuthi ubaba bakho akakujabulise ekamlereni uthi mina ngenze njani. What am I supposed to do mina ngoba mina ngingashadi nokushada ngingena mina lapha. Return akai. Return akai ngingenaphi. Yabo uthi sikhi isikhala sami lapha. There are things you can't tell me. There are things you're not supposed to tell pastors. Nyangizwa mos. Restraint. Sibambe.
Yeah.